Gotti Gang? It's your girl Lay Gotti back with another video. Gotti Gang, oh no, girl, not part of my gang. What are you doing, y'all? So we at Walmart about to get some handcuffs. We'll be doing the handcuff challenge or whatever. When you don't start, I don't want you to start.
You're pretty.
Who?
You.
No, I don't.
You're
Y'all,
very pretty.
I'm looking like a bum because you know we gotta run this money up, baby. We ain't got time to be playing. Like, I'm gonna get cute at the end of this month though. It's March 10th. I'm gonna get cute. I'm going to the Rob Wave concert.
When?
The 31st.
Why you never asked me if I wanted to go?
You wanna go?
I would have came with you, but whatever.
Rainy.
That's lame.
You wanna come?
I want to come. How much the tickets?
It was like only $90.
I'm scared.
Why?
I don't have nobody. I'm gonna be with who? You?
Yeah, you gonna be
Y'all staying tonight? Where is it? Charlotte?
No, it's like Greensboro.
Oh, Greensboro.
You wanna come?
I want to come.
Let's see how much the
But
tickets.
I'm scared.
Rainy, don't start.
I need to tell. I don't know if Deja and them going.
Who?
Deja.
Oh. You got on lip gloss?
I have lip gloss on because I see your lips glossy.
You in my face. I don't like that. Okay, y'all, so we got the handcuffs. We about to start right now. Right now. Like, literally at this moment. I ain't got time to be handcuffed to her, bro.
Girl, I don't got time to be handcuffed to you.
Y'all, the key is right here. We better don't lose the
put
key.
that key in there.
We'll be losing the key.
I'll be staying over Lele house tonight, y'all.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
Come on.
Put it on over yours too. Hopefully my wrist not bad.
It's not.
They can be like, what the fuck? They gonna think we broke out of jail.
Yeah, this is our handcuffs. Come get something to drink.
Don't be trying to do all that now. See, you
I'm
doing
about to
too
get
much.
me something to drink. Girl, I'm thirsty. I have not.
I should have got me something to drink.
Yeah, you should have, because you didn't get none of this.
Girl, okay? I don't even know why I wanted to do this. I regret it now. I swear to God.
This is so good. Who is that? Oh.
Why you do mine tight? Like, what the fuck?
Boy, it won't unloose.
Okay, what we about to do? How we gonna drive? I'm gonna be driving like this.
Ooh, y'all. This right here, bussin'. You ready?
No.
Okay, y'all, so we about to go across the street.
Bitch, you got me. I'm about to whoop your ass. How old is Charger?
That was about to get hit, baby.
How am I gonna do this? I should have drove. Let you feel this shit. So y'all, we is to, but
we about to go to one of these stores or whatever. I need to go back in Walmart.
Locked up, won't let me out.
You hear me?
What?
I might need to go back to Walmart.
Hell no. You don't gotta go to Walmart. She just wanna go to Walmart.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
You said we was walking, not driving.
We are. Y'all, this is why I don't take Rain nowhere. She don't know how to act.
Girl, what?
Don't know how to act. Like, girl.
Y'all see this?
Ooh, Chick-fil-A.
We're driving.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
And my arm is burning.
Rain, stop yelling.
Stop playing me.
I swear to God.
No, you didn't mean to do that.
I swear to God, I didn't mean to do that. I thought I probably parked too fast. Well,
how we gonna get out the car?
You gotta come over here.
That's some bull, bro. That's some bull. How I'm gonna get my big self over the seat?
Yeah, so about going here. Did you want some?
No. Come on. This is embarrassing as fuck. You won't have to wait so I can get the fuck out. And you got move.
Come on.
What about my seatbelt? Somebody looking. Oh my God.
Come on, Rennie.
What? How I'ma do this? My seatbelt.
Rennie.
That's
Okay.
that bull, Lele. That's that bull, Bo.
Come on.
You doing me wrong, Bo. That's that bull, Bo. I swear to God, this some bullshit.
Yeah, you know how to work.
No.
Don't break my seatbelt.
Can you move your seat back? Oh my God, she looking at me.
Who, girl? Come on, no, my wrist hurt.
That's some BS. That's some BS. I hate this. I hate all you.
Y'all,
Don't take off running. Don't do none of that shit. Cause I know how you like it. No. Don't. Don't fucking play with me, bro. On my mama, don't play with me.
let's see what's in GameStop, y'all.
Nothing but games.
Hey, how are you? My friend is looking for
Nothing.
a controller. PS5.
PS5, what color?
White.
White?
Cause her daughter come on, bro. That hurts. Nope. She trying to break the challenge, y'all.
No, I'm not.
From stock for $59.99.
Woo. Let me see. Yeah, she lost it, so you gotta buy it.
I'm not paying this shit. Sorry. I like these baby blues.
Okay, thank you. She don't got no money right now.
Shit. You pre-gone?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm done.
Woo.
Come on, bro. It hurt.
Bitch, you hurting me. The fuck? The fuck?
I can't take her nowhere, y'all.
Well, let's go to shoot. Oh God, it's so many people in shoot apartment. I know people looking at us. Ah! Oh. Lele.
Hey, how are you? Bruh.
Look. Them is cute. Them is so you, Lele.
Them shits is ugly as
Girl.
Them things ugly. Come on, them is so you like she know I would not wear no like
Yes,
that.
you would.
No, I wouldn't.
Just to walk around the house. You better right there. I swear to God. I know that.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can try on some shoes real quick.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm gonna see if I can fit these.
I swear to God, y'all, she just picked it up. Is them even your size? I mean, it might be your size. No, they look small. You could fit them.
Yeah, I can fit them, y'all. I might get these. You got your wallet?
Don't get him.
You got your wallet?
No, I don't got nothing.
Bro, don't be trying to go in stores without nothing.
Bitch, I'm attached to this motherfucking bitch.
She trying to go into stores without her wallet so she don't have to buy nothing.
Yeah. Let me. Bitch, you better stop playing with me.
Y'all.
I'm not supposed to kill
No. Y'all.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Let's go. Bring your. I can't take your nowhere.
The fuck? You almost made me fall. Now if I would have fell, then what?
I can't take. Get in the car.
How? Oh, gotta do this shit again. Hell no, I'm not gonna keep doing this shit, bitch. Fuck you, Lele. I swear to God, bro. Move!
Okay, I'll get something to drink first.
Bitch, you got me fucked up. You know how to break my goddamn hand. Period.
What are you doing?
Hell no, bitch. What the fuck this nigga looking at? The fuck? He just rolled down his damn window looking at me and shit. Nobody recording you, bitch.
Yeah, this person looking at
He
me.
said we recording him. And ain't nobody recording him.
Bro. Is he still looking at me?
Yes. He's steady looking. Trying to probably think like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, I gotta record this. I'm gonna record on my phone.
My don't work, ho.
I'm recording on my phone. Yeah, he looking. Bruh, why is he looking at us?
I don't know. And he look at him. Ew. The fuck? It's like he wanna say something. Say it. I'm gonna cuss his ass out, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to go. Oh my God.
Don't do it. Don't do.
I don't have no gas.
Yes, you do.
No, oh my gosh, bro.
Say swear.
I mean, we is stuck.
No, we not.
Yes, we are. Look.
We in park. The car not even on.
Bro, what is this
I'm about to be
man?
like, what the fuck are you looking at, dude? Like, is there something you want to say? Or...
Really?
He looking at me. That's the thing. He don't even see your ass.
What you done do to that man?
I ain't did shit to him. Yeah, oh my God, he on us like he is on us.
I'm about to go. We about to go. Let's go.
So I don't have money. Oh my God, look. He was following us.
Girl, he might be trying to take my license plate. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Okay, y'all. So we is at Rennie house.
Can you say you can go to the club?
Yeah. Okay, y'all. So we about to exercise because. Oh, I hope he ain't fall.
Zay, you good?
Come on, go ahead. You go first. What are you doing?
I'm holding my change.
Take it out. You smell like orange.
Hello? That was in your car. Yeah.
Y'all.
My change. Where you put my change?
Oh my gosh. Sure. Y'all, that's it for this video. I
can't do it. I cannot do it.
I'm done. I pranked her and we did the handcuff challenge. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Follow me on my YouTube channel.
No, until she start posting.
I'm posting a video. Y'all follow me on my YouTube channel.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.